Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening an elevated command prompt so SFC has privileges to fix files. Once the prompt is open, confirm your Windows build and install any pending updates, because SFC works against the current system state. Next, type sfc/scano and press enter. This triggers an immediate integrity scan of protected files and attempts automatic repairs. You'll see progress %. Let it reach 100% without interruption, so SFC can complete its verification and replacement steps. Once SFC finishes, read the result message so you know whether files were fixed, not found, or corrupted beyond repair. If items remain unresolved, open the CBS. Log at %windir%logs/cbs/cbs. Log to identify specific files. This helps you decide next actions. For deeper image repairs, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. This command repairs the component store that SFC relies on. You finish by rebooting the PC so replacements and service changes take effect, then rerun SFC/scano to confirm no remaining integrity violations. If SFC still finds problems, boot into safe mode and run SFC there, because fewer services mean fewer file locks. As a final measure, use a matching Windows ISO and run an in-place repair or manually replace the corrupt file from a known good machine of the same build. If that fails, restore from backup or seek targeted repair for the specific file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.